Not everything in the field will be perfect or perform at its optimal level. Smart Baseline allows you to set a realistic expected flow rate that's grounded in actual observed performance from your blocks, rather than a theoretical calculation based on plants, emitters, emitter rates, etc. Each block has its own Smart Baseline setting. As Smart Baseline is learning, you'll need to calibrate it. Lumo will flag irrigations for your view if they are regular, meaning the expected flow rate is plus or minus 10% of the actual flow rate. By selecting the irrigation in question and viewing flow vision, you can disagree with the status if you feel like that flow rate is actually normal. Smart Baseline will then learn the new expected flow rate and use that rate to compare future irrigations. From the activity page in the Ops Center, we can toggle on the Smart Baseline switch, which will show us all irrigations requiring our review and input. Let's take a look at Block E from October 18th. Lumo flagged this irrigation as irregular because the flow rate was lower than the emitter-based rate by more than 10%. There could be an issue to fix with the irrigation system, or it's actually possible that this is a normal flow rate for this block. If we believe that the flow rate from this irrigation is a normal flow rate, we checked for clogged emitters, we didn't see any clogged filter issues. If we believe that this measured flow rate is normal for this block, we can hit disagree on our flow vision chart here. The Ops Center will ask you to add a note about why you disagree, and then click confirm. Smart Baseline will begin to calibrate the third time you review an irrigation and change its status. Once your Smart Baseline is calibrated, a blue line will replace the dotted line of the emitter-based rate. This will indicate your new normal flow rate.